Hi everyone, it's Teresa back with Craving Crochet. Hey, thank you all so much for tuning in to my channel. Once again, it's Teresa of Craving Crochet, and I'm just going to do a quick short video today just to show you what I sent to my winner of the Square Share challenge that we did. And this was what I made. My square was the popcorn stitch square, and there were 5 channels altogether, and they all did different squares, and people that participated got entered in, and I had a winner, and that was my beautiful friend Lisa Walker from the States. And so I sent her a bunch of yarn that I think she would have liked. I asked her what colors she liked and everything. And I also sent her along with yarn. It's from Hirschner's. I thought, instead of me trying to ship it and everything from Canada, like go out, buy it all, ship it all, it was going to cost way too much. So I ended up just ordering it online at Hirschner's and had it delivered to her house. So, and she got it pretty quick. So she did a little video, which I'm going to put in here just to show you the beautiful yarn that I sent her and she really liked. I asked her before I did the order and everything what kind of yarn she liked, like the colors and stuff. So she picked a lot of the colors, so I know she'll be happy with it, right? So, and I also got a little kit, a crochet kit for her, and she really liked that too. So this is the clip of my beautiful friend Lisa Walker from California, and she was my winner, and so I'm just sharing the prize that my channel Craving Crochet did. So enjoy.
Oh, my sisters, I just wanted to come on here and show you the prize that I got from Sister Teresa. It came today and I just finished opening it, and so this is a lot of yarn because that's what I told her, just send me yarn. This is a package from Hirschner's, and this is a kit for a tropic stole. It looks very cute, and it's in the color paprika, which is kind of like an orangey kind of color. I don't know if you can, how good you can see that. Yeah, it looks orange on my phone. It's not a bright orange though, but it's a nice color orange, like a sunset kind of orange. And that's a kit to make that. And then the other are, let's see, she sent me two skeins of each color. And I think this one, what is this one called? Bounty, I think. I forgot. Boutique. Boutique, each skein has 486 yards, which would be plenty enough to do what I like to do, sweaters. Yeah, so 2 of these in Boutique, 2 in this true red color, even though it kind of looks orange on my phone, but it is a really nice red. 2 in this, it's a wine type of color. Now see, this looks a little more red than that, but not really. But this is a wine color. And then 2 in eggplant. Of course, you had to have some kind of purple in there somewhere. This was very generous prize from her. Thank you, Sister Teresa. I'm going to have to figure out what I'm going to do with all this lovely yarn, adding to my yarn stash. I'm definitely going to do this stole. It actually kind of looks like a vintage piece to me. So I'm definitely going to do that. But thank you so very, very much. You are very generous, sister. Love you.
So that's my video for today. I'm so grateful and thankful for all my new subscribers. If you're new here, please hit the thumbs up And if you want the pattern for this, I do have a tutorial on, I'll leave the link in here somewhere, so you can make one for yourself. All right, thank you so much for tuning in, and hopefully everyone's having a good week, and we'll be back again soon.